Hey guys, this is Fundo on Nwanjuparama. Tonight on Uzalo, Sbu set his sight on Gwanjumane, and it seems like he take all things of Konzi and act as Konzi, and he changed his voice while the harper is shut down indefinitely, and Bata searching for a Mama Mfundisi continue. But this time he got Mama Mfundisi that has a money and dignity carry to take care church and him. And Konzi wants a favor on Kapsile, while Kapsile tell Konzi Sbu wants to take over on the Kwanjomane and all the business of Konzi. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.